So, what's inside the Pokemon poster collection? Let's crack it open and find out. Here are the promo cards. The exclusive jumbo poster, perfect for collectors. Sneevy. Oshawott. And a little T-Pig little piggy. There's those three bad boys. Now, it's time for the main event. Booster packs. We've got 4 packs in total. 2 black, 2 white. Not bad, not bad. Whimsicott EX. Little puppy. Pokemon Research. Pokemon Research. Oh, nice. Little clang there. And a Victini. Okay. Not terrible. Bad. Okay, let's see our hits from 4 packets of the booster packs. Okay, got these Whimsicott, got this little Mousy Mouse and little Clangy Clang. Very cool. There are 3 hits. Not bad for 4 packs. Should we open the binder collection next?